Hello, I'm Dave McDonald. Now I want to introduce you to our VO-3800. Up to now, all the products that I've been able to show you that we will introduce in 1974, I feel that you've anticipated. You knew that they were coming and had some pretty good idea what they'd be like. This machine should be pretty much of a surprise to you. It was a surprise to the people who visited Tokyo middle part of last year and saw this machine for the first time. The VO-3800 is a compact, portable, battery-operated Umatic machine. It utilizes this tape cassette, which allows a recording and playback of 20 minutes. And although the physical size of this cassette is smaller than the Umatic cassettes that you've known in the past, it is fully incorporated into our 1600s, 1800s, 1000, and 1200s. In fact, this cassette will play in any Umatic machine. In the Sony Umatic machines, because of the groove that you see here, no accessory adapters are required. The cassette is simply fitted into our 1600 machine, and it will thread as a normal KC60 or KC30. In Umatics of other manufacturers, we will provide a small plastic adapter to go around this unit so that it can be fitted into standard Umatic machines for playback. Here is the 3800 itself. The videotape simply fits into the front of the unit. The transport is enclosed, so for ejection purposes you press this button and lift the Umatic out. The tape transport in the VO-3800 is identical to the tape transport that we use in our very expensive Editing 2850. In addition to the normal features that you find in any Umatic recorder, such as fast forward, rewind, record, play, that kind of thing, we have a pause control on this machine that gives you still frame pictures. The device is a capstan servo-operated machine. That means that it can be incorporated with very sophisticated ancillary equipment to give highly stable type pictures. The Umatic VO-3800 weighs 31 pounds. So it is truly a portable device, and one can hold this in one hand. Not for too long, but you can hold it with one hand. This machine is capable of recording in color and playing back in black and white as you see it. It has a small battery compartment here that will take a 1-hour battery without recharging. For color playback, we go to the AC adapter, which is also the color adapter as well, and that is this small unit to my left. This provides AC power when it's required, and it also provides color playback with this machine. It is connected to the VO-3800 by a short umbilical cord that is multi-conductor and has a different configuration to avoid confusion with camera cables. The 3800 itself has connectors for our normal camera in, either in black and white or color, and a small switch to indicate what your recording mode should be, color or black and white. It has a small RF output. It has a standard coaxial video in. It has channel 1 and channel 2 audio in and audio out, and a selection switch, channel 1, channel 2, and mix, similar to the selection switch that you have on all standard Umatic machines. There is also a small earphone plug to monitor the recordings as you make them or play them back in the field. So you can display this device, the picture material, either through the viewfinder of your black and white or color camera, or through a black and white TV set using this unit, or play it back in full color using this unit. The AC adapter, of course, has simply a video output, a color lock, potentiometer, screwdriver adjustment, and an AC plug-in, and that is all the controls that we have with the exception of a power on switch in the front. Simple, easy to operate, and Umatic format. We think that this unit will be a welcome addition to our Umatic lineup for 1974. We're very interested in hearing from you in terms of your comments about the Umatic format. We are particularly interested in knowing your interest in a playback unit only. Is there a marketplace for a playback unit only that would not be battery operated but AC, but has the same general configuration and size as this? If there is a market, how many do you think we can sell? What is the ratio of sales compared to the rest of the Umatic lineup? If you could let us have this kind of information, we would find it most helpful in our planning for 1974 and 1975 production. We look forward from hearing from you, both good comments and adverse comments. Hopefully everything will be constructive. Thank you very much for your time and patience.